I have this NES controller here, and it doesn't bloody work. I'm trying to play Kung Fu out in my shed, but it works. Start, select, all these buttons. So I'm going to take it apart. See if there's one. Probably just needs a cleaning on the inside. And I definitely need to retro bite that yellow shit, but sure, look. We'll take it open, or open it up, see what the crack is. Now, it's open. I can't see anything particularly bad with it, but I'm going to give the old pads a clean. See where we get with that one. See if it's the little pads, the conductor pads. I don't know why it's not working. I'll clean the pads anyway, see where we get. Right, cleaning didn't work, so I'm going to get my multimeter out. And I'm just going to see, I'm going to probe around. See if it's getting to the right places. Oh, that's fine. Okay. That one's not getting anywhere. Where is it going? It wasn't anything to do with the pads, but this, there was all mank and gunk and stuff down there, so we just shoved a bit of metal in there, cleaned it out, bit of alcohol, and it seems to be working. Let me show you. It's put together enough just to show you, like there's still bits of screws out of it, but look. So, let's see. Now, let's play with one hand. It works. You move left and right. Can pause it. It works. Deadly. Chuffed with that now. I think next video I'm going to retro bright the back of it. But at least I got it working. Whee!